Doche the HNH view chane.
Kine
Kiane. Muna nchendo chento kia chenchiri kwa rumaiga na boniga. Neringe serikali ya itenene. Nonyane county. Ige kotend kubogoli abantu bali baye abasani. Yaba beka karibu. Kero yaba bekire karibu, circulation ya anything that is supposed to come back to the people, yaba circulated within the friends and the associates. Bono kwa nyoranga, uchanse gaiga, tuaba tutabuati ntobuati pi. Naende gukoriga libali babuate buchigorali babuate pi. Kwa mana kubuli nga
ngayaba menyete.
Nseye kieto menyete.
Bono.
Nkenya kieye. Yes.
All right. Iganda kena kiumo chando. But nakibono turakore buna bakenya mwishimiwa andake because onye abaraye babaroboniga ebarigita abasani babo kuma kunyera ibintu biri ebitobu no bagutangana koira ingo turaje go trust. Na tutajuaje kiongozi mzuri?
Trusting will take time because omaitho nyani chenkoriginde kerogo. Most definitely I will love to be close na abantu bali bane na alinge na barabwa safari toko batuguta. But kero togo soma about leadership. Leadership never netakoba neutral. In as much as I will want my people to be very close to me and get everything, nintagete na abantu abandi na barabu bangete imani yabo bakambekere kura na barabu bamenye bia. Bona bagambia babaito babwenete ku gwake sabwere bwangu. Nichi politicians tu abegeto bisi wose na leaders. Ekoranto wate difference ya politicians bali bago chabako monu baende bachikwe enrich na ndento wate leaders bali tuachole iru na nyasaye wose naboko romonto this person can lead. Monto yiga na bako ba very generous na bako ba very equal. Atari kubeke bintu biacha amo asa abantu baeboka obisap obibeka biaenda asikiro monto. Yes.
Okay.
So I think pia tumelegea kwa maombi kwa wale watu wanaomba. Waombe sana. We need to discern.
Abagusabirensi.
Abagusabirensi na barai. Banyore discerning power nande da barabu mbate nina bangainireri asenge nchonga nkonyora bare token. Batene ne bakwane nga yaya. Ama sabatu akorire umaite chinsa chindendire toko ba wond. Lakini asenge nche mitu ya iteko be mekongu kwanyora tuachire side ere wrong. Or at least tualani. Tumaite usenkiro montorani but me have learned. Tualani tuamanyirenga. Next time togote na kochora barai. Tato choro murai yuli uratu wakirishe tuensi as a people. Nto chora chi politician. Umaite chi politician na chito wate chi nyingi. Timaite na chose na politician. But those are the people we have in large numbers. To chora barai bali barate nene ne nkoro ya kibinadamu. Ya kiyesu.
Alright. Amashimwa bado kera tutigarita bwase siasa. Tumago soa senkwana ya ito ya rero ya bene yabasubate bonika numa itamangana siasa ntigendrete kunya kwerobeli ebyama mbigendrete kunya kwerobeli bonika ntubwate alternative government bonika ntubwate
the government itself
bonika ntubwate linda ground bonika ntubwate linda mwananchi na manoti katukwanire kurase ensemo yababara serikali babwate chinguru bonoiga ekero gote makurigirire kintu tukuruka United Opposition. Ntiranere ya konyiro mugusi.
United Opposition yachete ko county government. Bono United Opposition kidogo terareta fruits. Ntorachirora. Mbono togochirora. Sababu the agenda right now with the United Opposition Party is one term. In area agenda. Barabu yabo mbarayereta. So we are going to stick and we are going to be very close. Komonita wantaba United Opposition. Torenga barabuo, are they going to be good leaders that we are expecting? Or they want to speak about the new one-term agenda. Na the other party neron two-term. United Opposition sa into kuchaga kobagage. Asengejonga, it's now they want to come in and work for us.
Actually I was asking about bakroka bababwatrine serikali. UDA na ODM Linda Ground.
Linda Ground. Yo kidogo to me chinechinani gana. UDA coming together with the ODM. Bagota wange batete ko Linda Ground. Na wako Linda Ground gosema ravu Linda mwananchi.
Actually Linda Ground nero ya watrani ne serikali. Nero ya soiria sisi.
Linda mwananchi nero muina. Yabo mimi ndiye sifuna.
Ndi mimi ndo sifuna.
Linda Ground timaite ground kibakorenda origereri bia kero politician ose leaders bagotenna mutu waino keri bagochibaba kwanera okonyora ebagotebanga nche ntaite goswagari asenge nchonga ntoraba represented gose ntaite korusa muntu gite nobody stands otebanga ntaite goswagari bakorere ABCD so kidogo asende linda ground ne serikali n'abantu babate chi interest cyabo cyakebene inchira involve bantu ekorambara tuteinga linda ground na linda na UDA eyere government
nkieta gete kotokorera na rengere tu kubulgoro ya broad based
na radio linda ground and the government itself na radio broad based nkia call broad what does it nkia call broad and where is it based again to linda ground ebwaterete negento tokorokanga zoning mbatakiti ground kelkiabo gikunu
ibon
batakete tikare kiabo kero kiyoka lakini okubabo lende ground yake mokoro kikieno nkimwage koleire to kunyara kurigirira bia bike biachire through pushing so much musubati narali go push so much never gatagete everything to herself okole bintu bike
Wanga
Gladys Wanga omo governor o Mabei never kare too pushy oligere naende bia nabokoranga okole bintu bike so according to her erenata ite ground kiabo kirindwe asenge nchonga mbagenda nsi but again tatara akora taraskiza ground tokolende ground kirio taraskiza angekuwa naskize ground utangomanyire na ground ikata ite kolenda nkiyo kiatamiri yes so amana kweboli bono from there ma uchaka go strategize how do I come back again to linda this ground because it's ripali ya chiro chimuinuga ya tererire nkiyo biyaigo tori ebintu mbiro tari go force no chebuna go force ya magenderero oswaime kabisa ne president bakwana buya ya ire bintu sobo ekitakunyara koretera mwananchi tago force ekibaka chengora abuli abananchi ngai twachire off how do we come back and linda this our ground anyore ways to linda the ground but ga korazimisha tari kuchikorenda kende gekora giachire yes
all right timati Violet usunoma itare nseme ya bono united opposition koniga actually kwegure nsemo Dr. Fred Matiang'i na tinini kwegwete Gashawa igoromba kole tobochore yaringe all sijinol utia
igaro gora kirigori siga
kwa ruchenchera no isukuli gazeti ya The Daily Nation none Taifa Leo yari getego tebanga kwa kweli disciplining ya UDA
imesikiza ground
na bale kero togote makulire Gashawa ngotenara gotebanga nena tetikiro gekega now your opinion asabara yaba bari united opposition ngora chikoewa ebendera yo kwiruka use ngora chikoewa iruka ebendera
sorry tinta itiko ko bwatera interview ya bara yaba united opposition gakora na nche kidogo no ndimi yes omuntu uri ora chikoewa peperushen ebendera ya united opposition according to me mware kumbori ikare ko bwa buya ko Matiang'i
okay
ekogera Matiang'i kidogo skize ground gionsi ya Kenya na boko egunare preferred and nare chosen reason Matiang'i is not quite a politician. Matiang'i is an administrator. Matiang'i akonyu na babo His Excellency Gachagua akonyu na His Excellency Kalonzo na bakugendi nse yegende bia lakini nare toise kuikera se toguchaka kungusanana between the united opposition leaders ngoyongo telenaro yongo telenari kile ni mutago tutigira tuirani oyo rororo mapema tukora nebintu ebyo ekora united opposition ye yachete unite ereto monto yomo. If you saw, there is some 2 days back Sifuna tebeteiga they don't have the pleasure uchaka kutenenania abantu abanga bangi. They want one person who will stand and compete with the sitting president nalitora nyoro bui oboiga tutaite bo one term. Wono igabu as the united opposition leaders karansa, they need to be very careful. They need to shut down their greed or whatever that thing that may come up. Yogo salia the united opposition bali atumonto yomo. That way farasi zikikuwa 2 njia itakuwa safi. But wakitoa farasi kama 10 njia ni hii moja tu.
Alright. Alright. Iganda ke korengana nae. ground gigotebanga kidogo matiangi pale.
Yes.
Alright. Mirongo itatu na isano nibiro machomo tegele chideka cha michiri chisa nibire cheburu mambia se studio togendrete gusanganira mheshimiwa Violet Nyaparo yukurekero kyo jumbe korwa asibunge yabo machoge chache sangana tuseme no 70610210 egenda seseme ya Facebook live radio vuna 102.0 FM tege comment yao kabisa roro bole libu uli mheshimiwa no arasi studio bantu baitu ba mu machoge chache allo wakire bia mheshimiwa tutaragenda ngantire tukwanire ngane yo moelio in fact bone gankoroche bantu bagendrete kwirike face ntangani ngoroche kimbekere kya IBC kuba tukoroboti ntira bantu belikia more than 2.6 people beligeti
yes.
tumetinga nabo gonto bwate sizing ngana ya kyareke gya jenzinga tuko kadi so akorengana naye nimete kwa talire chinsema na mone bunge yabo machoge chache no mumenyi bwe county ya Kisii no isane getinchira abantu beso keida usena basaye gusira abantu kwirika aso ogwake ekora bose bochori bogocha
korengana na inche muna na berirega county ya Kisii tingisane getina no kwerikia kuliko abakwa IBC asenge chunga abantu bange mbasogeti kidogo mbarenge skeptical I can call it abantu bade batana itkuliane ndicherike bagasuka paka I remember the last minute na chete ngabogori abantu kuru IBC ngabayira kuchi chinsemo cyabona na settled ngabere kuchi chinsemo cyabona ali ngabata ibono gakiti atunyare kotema kuligia you can imagine ngano nyana abantu bana abandi mbabwate kadi. That was the last day. Bantu bange mbabwate kadi. So kidogo gentekega bantu mbaki bogoreti with a lot of weight. Punanda compare na Central. It was serious business. Mulima. Yarenge biashara bire serious. Bono ndandi kidogo ntoko nyara ko blame mono side chama atike kogera. Abana baita bange no bari kuchirutije.
Abaruete gusiba kanda mulima.
Yes.
Okay.
Wakaenda kuchiabu Central, Rift Valley kuchiabu no barabange. So hoping babu atete ikadi.
Okay.
Na ende mbacha baya koremeremo.
Lakini mheshimiwa, why do you think abantu batesogeti? Ingege kogera tutaisana gitu despite abantu baito because usibo akisabu in fact onye no robot kura ibisero korokyanga I think that robot no mura yokwanite agatebanga nonyene face ntangani in fact over 2 million people mbesogete kwirikia tibesogeti. So what might be the problem in mutaraikirania nsemo yaye ele abantu besoki wake kura wose inkikire saba akikura banyene batatakitigo soka because actually you have interacted with so many people.
Abantu baito barosete first. Yes.
Okay.
Bago choro burai bwacha bwa bangusha. Waba ibintu biri bata expected. Tumeze ko bago chora iko bago trusted with everything that they have. Ibata itogende gali oba wakirishe na ndolete ibintu. Bono keroko genda baranga yuko na gusuka bara ubate nina asibate nine inabakwaza. So for one barosete like tuanalire ko baba takabono ntuchitobe ntoko
tuanalire gutaikira nerigwa.
Yes. Ikintu gyakabere abantu baito banalire chitokene
okwa ugendo yake
se bali bayigwete nanko baremya arona bakoimuka bange bono ruche gente kege kyarenge free ondeta yole koleta token bono ruche abantu kiro monta agate batiga ngende ndeme nkole bintu byane gucyari so ebintu nebinge biko hinde gente kega goikeranirwa tokenism ne gente kemo let down ne gente gyakabere egento gyagatatu abantu baito nabarabu nabasireri bale na bao kwana omwana itonera tutagete kwanyoro omuntu kwana omwana itonera tutaita bwati no ni voting card lakini nama itonera atagete oya atagete amubekera orora bwasata gitabeku nerengo chinasinyo ningo so abantu baito mbabwenete ko ba sensitized okosombe gwakirengaki ebinte biga you need to know karoko choro murai ninkiago chigokorera mutwali atakoleti what right do you have against this person na kiora muri call back omutebinche na kwete kura yane nenkori nsafi origere dakiri rogoroga iga royal ko boli kero gike ya DCP kwaro chachita sabantu baya kabatenje gakitibwa tikindi na hinde nonye merchandise tindaegwa kuruasi kiama geito kwaro chabagina bali kintu bakorete
kai bari barusti bitamba biri
bachiete bakagora chikaria bag bitamba mbyale those were carrier bags green carrier bags wakateba now we want to represent you. That's a clear sign like people can love. Yeah, they can love and they can deliver kero banchete lakini bono kero kwanyore bari let down rioka muna seitaro usiero abantu baito mbanchete ebesa bila besa igento keke
lakini ya mheshimiwa kero bagwanza it means nini mwabanarete because monto
Mbanarete
weko
previous.
mwageta mutamu
Yes.
amanye kumanya geta mutamu kyarengo
mbanarete ku previous, so we are coming in goite na narrative yiga ya wata kwarorerende lakini bono teri goitu igo once ngakwa bono ya itiru ya kure na boko ba 20 kwa bataiga kiti nabo gatera kindi nditika tutie kunara osaba na ndi kwa bainyori ngaki mwarora nakina gaiga kende ngire na kole kia kende iga kira abaro kingani nkamulete besa kitasikete lakini bono tokie chumbanje tiko chitegerera batagetegento na ndi bagote baragoga tukurira asinari twari guchia koro ndi bintu bidebyo ndabya abantu babwerete basomi gunga nobody has in a large amount agutaka kwenana na ndi kero kwa iruigo manyanga wasiekirwo muno ugochikuboria magenderera umutu muno no chega abono gas turiga abantu ngonya kuri barubo para bwabo pole ngonya kuri bari anything that was supposed to be here ngona kuri bari barire in fact bono nakibago cha kumuboli yakogera gocha konyore bese iyo nacha batenga akiriri na kolete kitu ose in fact that what things I will explain why should I explain to people that are fed with their own money so abantu baitumba bwenete basome bamena there is so much to gain from a government that they have entrusted fully without getting something back.
You know, Mheshimiwa, actually, I don't know whether we say no rengerete ngane yega. Do you think enchiri tuatebiringa agose watebiri bantu toisana gitinchira bantu besogeti gose besoke kwirikya asobwa ke chukura for SFS intangani. Na bera chikobega enga kitakwenda wake kura. Bantu ba arombache besoke gose na nengo ganya bale bwata amanye guti wesoke.
Egente kenege kongu no nyankerokyo. Numeta abagusi baitu usaba abantu baitu ebanchete kero babeire motivated matena bo muntu akubuka ende igitugi gwake ikura ikaransa aganyatiganganya ngugunsiera kwanza mana ko yake kureyega bono kwanyora abantu ntwa barigie tuchandike siku igega ukona utagakiri tukinaririo moero what am I going to do kainko rusia bese yega ikora mbanchete lakini abantu mostly bagokora igo na abatuko kadi na bakoboke ke mambia ndo umete bangi namba bwatinza cyo kwenda kwikaranse ketuo bakanyerere lwache go siero agote banje kama no musubati uri na ruri bwataga tukikali na renko ndangakere ngakere na matiangyo minto kuchiabo aba musiye ni ngori bono omugaba musene tangori bake bagende bachiko kore miremo yabo lakini abantu abanda bakenkuraganya bari abana ubari enlightened bamaite gokora ebintu very fast baruororo baganya accountability lakini nande na ubaguchi baikaransa baganya koegwe token bamana gwaka. It's their constitutional right to vote. It does not matter ngangu chokwa aegenda korakira umuntu uri trusted ikura gokumwakira bono ira na maega omana gomutebe umatenje na gwakirite kura kwando chandonsi asukuri gende kyao yaya the same energy I used kogotwara na gokobogodi na gwakire kura is the same energy I'm going to use to recall you back when you are not doing the right thing. Abantu abaiga bamanya omaite voters mbamaite nga they have a right yo korikora abantu bali bayire chikura kobateinga ngaiga moratokora gento keri mwatokorete. Do you know why they don't know that? It's because they receive a vote from this person or nerekera chire gal nata ite kupumua bakanje ikasengwa ite abana siasa mbabate gasienko na so irororo bati na nyero lene nkongo paka na chakire otanje tindiko chigobele muvande bonse bali bakora gento keri bakora because it's their right to do it. You didn't give this person libakali okumutegerera muiguna naki nakiacha mbirengereri kyabwate na inu first thing karo mwamuroche ge mwaroche besa bono nera agachandika karigie ebeseri definitely nasa betasigite lazima yirani nakiyako yirani rende nandike ata nakiyako yirani nkioro charabe ki first amagenderero gusikora irani besa yabande pakara irani besa yabande amana ko irana ko barengereri badai so abantu baitumba bwenete gusomya bunga. It's not everything goes with money. Mutageta development ye constituency go for it.
Gendo ye magendereno. Rangeni na sana na vile dakika cha minchire gachi sana vile cha wala mabingati mheshimiwa tupumzike kidogo tu. Usitote mukake ego kisha baadaye tukwirina gatura kwanira kidogo uro yengane yabasubate noborai. Chinuke the first lady karatogendrete gusangana mheshimiwa Violet Nyapara uyu kuriye kiro kibujumbe kurase bunge yabo machoge chacha. By the way tugatwereza ruringa kikiagirete because you are very young.
Yes.
Kikiagirete ukarona tibotende machoge kikisari gitara ronke gia koliru lakini ibadaye kiro tuarure umutima kotogendara motegele.
Alright.
Nadia Hardware and Electricals neduke koni bintu bionsi byobwagachi yani all construction materials buna chisimiti chichuma emesumari na binding wires plumbing materials mbabwata chitangi waste pipes and all fittings electrical accessories njireo buna cables bulbs downlighters na consumer units fencing materials mbabwata chipost barbed wires na chainlings as interior finishers njireo paints tiles PVC ceilings handles locks na flash doors mbabwate boigo e machine yoko mix chirangi Nadia Hardware and Electricals nigotogotoka Kijauri na Keroka asoro segerwa Kijauri asebale kubota ni Keroka na Chebirate twakere simia sinamba 0718 530 990 main branch bono ya Igoirwe imeyomo chokeroka ansensemo yilibwago barabari ni nyagetale nene ya Keroka level 5 ebare nene ya Keroka metamaywa twakere simi 0715 553 775 Nadia Hardware and Electricals naora nyoli bintu bionsi byobwagachi karibu sana.
Eduka ya Getembe Prime Distributors neduka yoboni asomu chubosongo ejego kondiri bintu aserigoliria muguko tarire eduka ya Getembe Prime Distributors elinyori bintu bikobwatia Galchit mabati maisha mabati chismiti chechingencho chonsi buna Rhino Simba na boigo bamburi chirangi cha Crown na Duracoats chitangi cha Roto Kentang na Top Tank boigo no nyore gypsum boards Terrazzo chichuma cha Kirengencho MDF boards tiles na boigo sanitary wares una toilets na boigo sinks tarire duka ya Getembe Prime Distributors yigo toka mbarabara duka ya Safaricom ange na Shell petrol station elinyore bibionsi aserigori iliamubuko asamange twakere mia senamba 0717 603 030 gose 0790 904 844 boy gona boko tunyara gwetera 07 43 286 754 Getembe Prime Distributors enyorere binto asirigori riamuguko.
Ine ukoligiole sukuru engija asomwano warasome Smart Winners Comprehensive Riatrimba Township neroli chibuliao esukuru eje nebwate birasi ne laboratory yekerero abari mu batu umanyi bwigoro ebitie bijabyo kogosoralia nobosombi was transport action bwekerengo kegoro tobeza kweba boigo mwano nanyora Michael Yedini aiga Smart Winners Comprehensive Riatrimba Township ejere a day ne boarding school nigeko tokalia trimba gesu Ward nyalibali ya masaba angeni sukuru yokorwa Michael Yobobundi yaliatirimba technical training account ya Kisi asa mange akesimia sinamba 0796 133 072 Smart Winners Comprehensive Riatirimba Township together we rise together we shine.
Rangitano ne eye mochedeka cheminchiro manchumo tegere chetegere kende chuka tonyora mangana mayasinchira ere yubo kirano isato chebono mambe no marale Geoffrey Ngongo lakini tobaisa kweba si studio tikiro togendre tukonyo sangi nkwane tutokumolekera siasa #political Monday na si studio tobato mheshimiwa Violet Nyapara kuri kiro kyo jumbe kuri abo machoge chache na mano tukumolekera obora yesinsimo yabasubatu mheshimiwa Violet.
Yes.
In fact kiro tukwana edo tokurukanga power. Musuba turi powerful nikia korokana. korengana na uri nae
according to me musubati uri powerful no musubati uri principled umusubati utari konyegerigwa na bintu kidogo kidogo maite bintu mbiro birakonyegerie bingi okonyoranga let me put this okonyoranga umuntu uri utabwati kintu kiokora igakomania bintu bingi bitabwene tikoba asoko boko kwae you know umusubati uri powerful tari umusubati urweto yeso iga gusuri nchirende nae lakini how do you carry yourself, how do you handle yourself, that gives you power. Can you work without discrimination like inkie kinakora tindate abo ndigasi iyi ndikasi nchiro chinyinge but you can work and feed yourself and feed your people. You can stand anything that comes your way, so long as you know that your mind is clear and you are focused. You are powerful that way. Yes.
All right.
Totara ikira abwe kiwango kiligia power yebesa.
Bono.
First you have to be who you are.
Iko etabote nero gatia kutwara power y'umusimamo. Kurengereria.
Yes.
Na power yechibesa.
Yes.
All right. So nowadays
unless utware power y'umusimamo. Power yende yebesa tindo chusuno cho enyore raisi. Sababu no yanebesa nero nitagite attraction ya power ya musimamo tabiki. Yama na gosoa nero gocha. Everything is about attraction and magnetism. What are you attracting and what are you amplifying and magnifying? Tinte ngwane gesonge kengera kini yachire. Bono lazima tuare power ya musimamo omana wa attract power yende ichibesa.
Yechibesa.
Bono biko watana kwaba super.
So powerful.
Yes.
So mheshimiwa nobe ani numanyekane koba powerful without money.
Ni ngumu kidogo. Iyo ni ngumu sababu no, there are people wamanyekane koba powerful without money, but their power comes in their form of giving out to the society. Abantu bali bamanyekane bakurwa lakini mbabwate besa. Lakini mbabwate away yo wako amasi bintu biri bagochikoenana. Abantu bali bamanyekane koba powerful lakini ndende powerful without money kwanyora power yabo erwete maybe through their stand and their beauty. Nto what they get about beauty. Yes, there is something about when you are beautiful you get a good welcome when you go somewhere. When you are beautiful and you have a stand, you are powerful because you are using your beauty in a good way. Bona ababande tolebu na tutagite, you'll have to work so hard to get that power of recognition first because nabo montago korigerega ago diminisha singecho ngataruchi usenkwaba murembo. Lakini ko bwate besa oborembo bwenspie bogocha. So as abakungu you'll have to get the two. It's either you are beautiful or you are working so much and you have money, so now you can balance.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You know kero gukwanega mheshimiwa kungirenya matoka maega. You know I don't know whether kero gotema kurigirira matoka gochi maega nto batabasubati. Barbarenge very powerful including basubati babo Charity Ngilu, basubati babo kuna yale majina ile kwa tajika kina Martha Karua, akina
Deretu
Wangari Martha.
Yeah.
So abasubati buna bali into babwata samakiai.
Abasubati bali barenge very principled. No nyechi scandal cyakabanyorire cyarenge scandal kirenene. Boniga abantu tobwate abasubati twatigaire mbari toko ba gratified nebintu gite bitali koleta dignity asomusubati. Okonyoranga our interests are just way off. Odere musubati una Wangari Maathai, she worked her way up. Nechi Nobel Prize chia echigacha. Ngora she was consistent and she did not lose focus at any particular time. Origari Charity Ngilu no secretary boy, she trusted herself first. Aga come out. She was a good woman because she helped many people I knew. She could listen to you and work. Kwarori abuna bakungu bali twabwate barenge very powerful baga kolle bintu biacha into completion.
Okay.
Abasubati tubwate boniga I don't know what happened. I don't know if nichi ndagira toko likidogo chia chigotoira opposite go sebintu mbire toko chitwakora bitali bya tali bonso do mbali bali babwate power of I don't want to speak this word on air. Might lakini tigang'ombe. But still we have virtuous women. Yeah, we have women of valor out here. Maybe batararorekana tu abarole lakini tuko ba diminish. Reason as to why tuko diminish abasubati awekana sengenjonga, they don't stand up to the looks that we want. Or they don't have money chiritorarore ngoyo bono
na bwate
chibesa. Kwa role tu diminish abasubati abaiga to gratify abasubati tutabwenda tuko gratify. I'm sorry to speak about one woman. She's not a bad person. But the problem is ideologies chiae nchiriko soana na abantu bange metwe musubati kare ni nyama.
Okay.
Na most of the time okonyora abantu bakomujaji asengenchonga bamunalire na vituko. So she could be good, but asengencho from past tara demonstrate integrity. So boro na kuana anything that is of value ekekoba rubbish na endorekana kwa mno muntu utabwati akili. Lakini musubati uri muri bya no musubati osomete. She's an advocate of the High Court. How did she manage to become an advocate with his thinking?
Alright, kara watara bo mheshimiwa kabisa tonyera mangana majesi nchirere yobo ikirano isa tuchebo no mambe tokwirana kwa kweli ntogendera kumurikira mangi ya Radio Vuna 102.0 FM motera na bakwenda sensemo ya Facebook live Radio Vuna 102.0 FM tege comment ya gororo kira togendera tugusanganira mheshimiwa Violet Nyaparu kuri kirukia obujumbe korwase bunge yabo machoge church ndoke the first lady togendari
Vuna FM
102.0
Radio Tower.
Radio Vuna 102.0 FM mangana majesi nchira yobo ikirano isa tuchebo no mambe na koletwa sole na nyagitari ya HK International Medical Center.
Omugusio minto kwa manyirenga enyagitari ya HK International Medical Center noere asumu chubo sonko nainde numa yetenga nige korenga omubiri omugima nakorwo bugwenia bwa maruire buna arthritis, asthma, TRG, stomach ulcers, pressure, infertility yechinchira chionsi, low libido in men, amaruire yabana, amaiso goikamaino na yanda mange bono kwa manyire eye HK International Medical Center Busongo
igonge kero wa ikirega igo muchu Busongo gotwakire nambe yure 07 17 nande 17 63 83
HK International Medical Center. Your health is your wealth. Ya namangana maya asenjera yuwekiranu kurwa chinkonko inyichensi ime ya Radio Vuna
Nabarai okura sorokongoro gusiba rekane kumwakire ko kumatiangi ko basiri bagaligiye kuruke bandere nseme yo kwamere serikali Segatani kwa kwende tukurugwa segatia baraiba chori me account ya nyamire kwa koraba na inche magendro korengane chira babaliete chinga kibali koliyo kubwate siwa negatia barai kurwa sensemeli kwa mere serikali bagendere kogania machibu igoro yogo itwa kwa mosasiroti ebwe kanisa ya PCEA asensemo ya Tubaga ime account ya Nakuru Yamana yanda mango manchomo tegereli na kwariga ningubanya sencherere yobo ikiranu chinse isatochebo no mambia inche gongoro kwa Geoffrey Ngongo Oyoreneke agaso gyokolige kero kyobunge asebunge abo machoge chacha se county ya Kisumu Musubati Violet Nyapara ni gaganirie oyo kabiro mwaziri mukuru Fred Okengo Matiang'i kwegwetigiti yo kwirukia kurwa sense yo kwamere serikali heli kuligekero kibora ibwensa sobo chole bone bole bosyo ukwana chinga gice chinkwana chema sema munigeta seni radio vune mambialera somurobelio obwe mambengia nigo mosubati nyapara hamwakere ko Matiang'i ko basili bagaligia sekeli haganire gatia bara imande kurwa sense yo kwamere serikali komoko boko elio koleta monchole yo bora imense ya Kenya nigatebiri na Matiang'i nigo ale hasili bagaligia elio kuruke bandere yo ekolengani obuna niga bakenya bange bamuitabire anemona so chikuligekero gekyo
yorache ko wapeperushen ebendera ya United Opposition according to me mwale kumboli kale ko bwa buya ko Matiang'i ekogera Matiang'i kidogo skize ground gionsi ya Kenya na boko egunare preferred and nare chosen reason Matiang'i is not quite a politician. Matiang'i is an administrator. Matiang'i akonyu na babo His Excellency Gachagua akonyu na His Excellency Kalonzo na bako gendinse yegende bia lakini nare toise kuikerase tuguchaka kungusanana between the United Opposition leaders ngoyongo telenaro yongo telenare kirene mutago tutigira tuirani oyo rororo mapema tukurane bintebi ekora United Opposition ye yachete unite ereto monto yomo. If you saw, there is 2 days back Sifuna tebeteiga they don't have the pleasure uchaka gutenenania banta banga bangi. They want one person who will stand and compete with the sitting president na litora nyoro bobui oboiga tutete bo one term bono igabu as the United Opposition leaders ba wikaransa. They need to be very careful. They need to shut down their greed or whatever that thing that may come up yogosalia the United Opposition bali atumonto yomo.
Omoseneta bwe kaunti ya Nyamira rikoko ng'omogeni ni gagani omugavana bwe kaunti ya Nyamira mosinyaribo ko mwali bagali okokole emirimo buno moseneta bwe kaunti ya Nyamira kagosanga chinga keikaranete ase ekanisa yege katoliki ya Nyangene gotoka ase wodi ya Bokire mewo ye kaunti ya Nyamira Okongo ni gamugani omugavana nyalibo gokole emirimo bwikirano ime kaunti ya Nyamira na nemono gokole emirimo chibesa kwa gukurasa serikali yanene gucha se kaunti ya Senchera yo wikirania amagendro okolengane chira baleta bana inchi chinga kyali koligyo gosira tigara se kaunti yo ya Nyamira koboli ningwa kugendete kurwego cha segati ya baraiba chore se kaunti ya Nyamira ko ene kibinango karabale mo boikirano na nemono kwenda kubwatirania abangina se obokolere bwe kaunti yo kagusanga n'abananchi kurwa sense meri ya bomorito ase wodi ya bugichora chinga kikarenta se kanisa ya Befa bomorito ime kaunti ya Nyamira bwigoro Oyibo lene kia gasige koligekero kubo gavana se kaunti ya Nyamira James Ongera Kemoni nigaganirie abarai bachore kurwa se kaunti ya Nyamira ikirania magendro buna bachorire heli abananchi kurwa se kaunti ya Nyamira okonyeka hamono n'abakoli buruburonge kurwa se gati abarai bachorete asobachore bonne bwetete Radio Vuna station ya Chirangu Mambono Radio Vuna abarari babatobo manyi mono Radio Vuna abarari babatobo manyi mono Radio Vuna Radio Vuna 102.0 FM kene kia mangane yogendete kotegera Radio Vuna 102.0 FM helio manyugubina gwateka kurwa chingongo nyense Matuko makeigo maiga yokwera likobo moraiwe kia magia ODM omugavana bwe kaunti ya Siaya James Orengo bona nainde bwe sokire na korali ganga yayo koligekero keboraiwe nse asobochode bonne bole bose wetera sikia magia ODM kagukwana se kanisa ya Ongalo ACK Parish ime ya Kisumu West Abuigoro Orengo nigo atabiri nekia magia ODM nekia mekene mense ya Kenya nainde na leta yali kuruke bandera yekia mekia sokoligekero keboraiwe nse asobochode bonne bole bose ogokwana kwaye no kweraria kurigega ngeyekerego kyoborai bwense nigo kugucha matuko makeigo maiga yigati abarai kurwa sensemeri ya Linde mwananchi chinga kibari ngase kaunti ya Bungoma bagania bakenya kubwata sensemeri kwa mere serikali asokorusi borai bora bisibono abisi asobachirye bonne buri wese umwaka bw'ikiri bube na 25 nebere.
There must be one of us on the table. If one of us is not on the table, we break that table until one of us is on the table.
Agenda yetu ni moja tu. Tukiondoa Ruto, kumuondoa tu 80% ya shida zetu zitakuwa zimeenda na yeye. Maana tukimuondoa anatujengea stadium inaitwa Talanta. Hapo ndio sisi tutapishiwa kwa hiyo stadium yake.
Tafadhali Waluya, hakuna kitu kwa ballot inaitwa Luya Kingpin. Hakuna kitu kama hiyo. Hiyo ni njama watu wanatumia kugawanya Waluya.
Viongozi wenyu wa hapa Bungoma wengi isipokuwa Jako Wamboka na Kalasinga, wale wengine wote wanatembea na Ruto wakiweka pesa kwa mfuko.
Hatutaogopa, tutampigania. Hii power mmetafuta Muluya kutoka 1963. Hii power tunaleta nyumbani 2027.
Gotigana nayo asentunda yende nigo moraibwe kiama gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua kire na kuwania machibu igoro yogo itwa kumusasiroti kwe kanisa ya PCEA asensemo ya Tubaga ime kaunti na Nakuru Julius Ndamia nigo Gachagua oyoreka yakwa na semisa yo kumunyera Julius Ndumia ase kanisa ya PCEA asensemo ya Ronga chinga kia baragire kiara omwaziri bwe obulendi bwe ime haiga Kenya Onesmus Kipchumba murukomene muno mu inspector banyanyimba haiga Kenya Douglas Kanja asogosirelio gwito kumusasiroti oyo na namono gotabwa tokoroboti boikiranu igoro yo goitwa kumusasiroti oyo iturwa se nyumba ya yo menya se kanisa yo ye parish ya Tubaga.
You give us back in kind attack of our churches in Mweki, in Kariobangi, and you are silent. Our parish minister has been killed, you are silent. Your CS is silent. IG is silent. But when you wanted to be president, you were in PCA church every Sunday from January to December. True or false? Yes. Iko siku moja tulienda kanisa 3 ya PCA. One Sunday tukaenda pale Thaithi, tukatoka tukaingia Mathaithi, tukaingia Karatina. In one day. Kila bahali milioni mbili. What happened to that love you had for PCA church? You used to come every Sunday to our churches. How come our minister has been killed and you are saying nothing?
Enkwana Gachagua nigo yairwo koboka muno moraibwe kiama gya DPK yojine omalwa oibo iguganirie amachibu igoro yogo ito kumusasiroti oyo sekelia ganirie ebyombe byoborendi himense ya Kenya kobwatoka orobotoro ikiranu omalu yorenga se county ya Narok abugoro nigagania serikali koimokerera igoro na koroboti igoro yogo ito kwa Julius Ndumia oyo oitwa se ekanisa ya Tubaga ime kaunti ya Nakuru.
We as the United Alternative Government will continue standing with the church in fighting for the people of Kenya. We are calling upon the Gen Zs as we approach 25th of June. We will be marking the anniversary of the massacre of the Gen Zs when they protested the heavy taxes, the Finance Bill 2024. The government still went ahead in the Finance Bill 2025 to raise more taxes. As we speak, Finance Bill 2026 is coming. They are adding more taxes on the wananchi. And we are saying enough is enough.
Chihita kachabutu kireni komi maiga ya chinse isato chabo na mambia habuno onkobutora mangana maya senchirere yobo ikiranu kuru aseketa seni kia uwanjita nambe moke radio vuna chinse nyane karonda jikwere naga kumanye yo manayanda manga senchirere yo wenge gonguru kwa Geoffrey Ng'ong'o na kuba ni robo tegereri borubia.
Uyo noro mweli obwa mangana maya asenchira yobo ikiranu.
FM Ovuna Vuna FM Ovuna Vuna FM Ase bibinde bia Vuna FM Asamba tera mayai 102.0 Asamba ranga mayai To sese niwe kerenga Mwanamke Minero.
Unajenga ama una ndoto ya kujenga nyumba yako ya kifahari? Unahitaji vifaa bora kutoka msingi hadi finishing? Karibu Shah Ceramics, wauzaji wa vifaa vya kisasa na vya kudumu. Shah Ceramics tunauza steel, simiti kutoka Rhino, Simba, Nyumba na Rai, tiles, tanks za Roto, Techno, Ken, Top na Royal, mabati ya aina zote, aluminium profiles na fittings, MDFs, blackboard, plywood, marine board, gypsum boards na accessories zake. Pia tunauza barbed wires na chain links, rangi kutoka Crown, Duracoat na Royal, toilets, wash basins, taps, showers, kitchen sinks na all plumbing na electrical fittings, agricultural tools, furniture na vifaa vyote vya ujenzi. Kwa nini uhangaike kutafuta sehemu nyingi? Shah Ceramics inakupa suluhisho kamili kutoka mwanzo wa ujenzi hadi mapambo ya ndani. Tupate mjini Kisii, mkabala na Kwanza Place, karibu na Quickmart na Kisii Mart Mega Supermarkets. Kwa mengi zaidi, wasiliana nasi kupitia nambari 0703943972. Shah Ceramics, pata vifaa bora vya ujenzi.
Alright, kumenesa tumanchumo tegelechideka cheminchiri chinsa ni sato chebono mambe konyorera mangana majasinchira ere yobo ekirano na ndi karibu sana kero togendere tugusangana intunda yomwele me yomrobere bwe mambingi ando the first lady asi studio togendere tugusanganira mheshimiwa Violet Nyapara yukulikiro kyobo MP bo machoge chache nabo gusangana into SMS line 70610210 tunya kubata riboli gochia sare nabo kugenda sense mu ya Facebook live radio vuna 102.0 FM tige comment ya sema mbia bono ega ekero tukwiranira enkwana yaito lakini tutaragenda eyemase ya muturana sinkwana kwenye ukomanyia eguru yubuya wa Avenues bachire kwene kiekoranga onsingo goikirara sinchira ya bene aso korentera go komentera stock Avenues eba komentera stock utakira shilingi chiro chimibere goika emilioni ya mono gutaisano baka goikana nyene milioni sano nemo ingikiragere osire clients ba osire customers bao ayebuno monchuli yakoni binto buna moyo timbusuro endagira yetugo enekia koranga kwa nyorro bokonye kurwa Avenues no bale ground no bale Kisii no bale Nyamira no bale Migori amone chinsemo chinde chinyinge onye gutagete gende eyemase yemo ase ground umira nababwatani kurwa Avenues wosonyo tora ikira babwatani kurwa Avenues genda sisimi obata star 789 hash genda sisimi obata star 789 hash bakirisimi gwetere namba 0111133300 genda sisimi yao bakirisimi gwetere namba 0111133300 Avenues kene kemangana nigo baragokonya tambe
Ngolia ole skuru engia so mwana go munyaruka arasome grade 10 St Alois Milimani Senior Girls Matibone kwaliganetie skuru eje nigo ebwata balimu bwato manye boigoro omoroberio OCPE okubwatigwa bwekanu na byonsi byabekirwaroro wekirania amasomo STEM na social sciences chinyumba chingiya choboraro yani boarding section uniform yo mwana go nigo okoigwa bosa toibamba nyore amaigerio yedini skuru eje nigo egotoka Matibo ange kilomita inye korwa Masimba ne kilomita isano ibere korwa Keroka ayerera ubwatere umwana wo o grade 10 libaga assistant Alois Milimani Senior Girls School. Kumbuka mazingira ni bora ni boarding na wanafunzi wa dini asamange aka esinyase namba 0724481642 0724481642 St Alois Milimani Senior Girls School.
Strive for excellence. Perfect.
Rocky Driving School. Na kora nyora masomo ya bogende chigari. Gochakra class A2, A3, B1, B2 light vehicle, automatic, B3 professional, C1 light trucks, CE a heavy trucks, D1 ye chigari chia PSV chokubugulia banto 14, D2 na D3 ye chibasi. Boigo, babwata masomo ye keraskia F asabanto balino balema. Nichikosi chinke buna PCD, P executive, basic mechanics, basic first aid, nechinda chinyinge. Rocky Driving School, evanchiri na NTSA, kurobo koribwa masoma maya keralituko. Imeyomu chubo songo, batarira samagacha Market Plaza, Nyakoe, Kyoge Junction, Ogembo, banyole chimite mieyemo, kurwe bara ya Mosura, Nyamire bara samagacho, Amanga, Sama Petrol Station, na Kilgoris Town, Mbaleo. Inyora, mbabwate ofa ase bali bakolire Form 4. Wakirisi miasin number 0723 803 503 0723 803 503. Rocky Driving School. Safe driving is our top priority. Rocky.
Enyagitari ya Nairobi Family and Maternity nigo ya kwariganiria soko rengo kwa busa asa marwere buna fistula na urogynecology. Inyora nigo bakorenga kerarituko gucyakere tarikia yemo goikemero ngevere na ibere cy'umutinyi oyo. Inchorengwe n'abanyagitari babwatu bumanyi boigoro monokuro cinse cy'isiko na boigo abanyagitari baito. Boigo ntorenge laparoscopy asa marwere buna cyst, fibroid, hysterectomy na marwere onsi y'abasubati. Inyora ngwanchera bare kadi ya sha. Asa mange vanyore kisi epara ya kisi nyatieko gusana boko barikira liuko ase info@nairobifamilyhospitals.org bakere simya se namba 0711526162 gose 0704760443. The Nairobi Family and Maternity Hospitals, because your health matters.
Alright, tumanchomo tegerele kabisa nganchire tuiranire enkwana ya itono mheshimiwa Violet Nyaparasi mambia bono ega. Mheshimiwa?
Yes.
Bade twarenga singaniria twarigirire basubati bali babeiro borai kuruma ega chiraba bwate chenguro. N'abasubati bali bono. Kwateberenga kidogo kwa kweli tofauti nero. Andenga bintu mbere bibere bitatu kabikwerera basubati abaiga ekobeta bawuti bone gantu bwatabara gusi inyura gantu bwatekerogo kyobo women rep yekora ono musubati dore saburi enyamira nto bwatekerogo kyobo women rep yekora ono musubati jerusha mumanyi nto bwata nominated senators nto bwata basubati kora sebergo byo bunge okay gusi despite ngikatiba ngotebero seliche kongotebalire igoro ya 2/3 do you think abasubati bachorere gusiye kuwakilisha are enough mbaisa ine
abasubati to kuwakilisha gusi are they enough? Yes they are.
They're enough?
Yes they are.
Igo mbaisa
ine. The problem is we overthink.
Okay.
Toko babeka nande tuachaka kwa brand. Yeah. I don't know if there is a woman out here omorayu ocholiru onyakoro kitabiende iri ya etalindonge.
Alright.
Bati bago ikaiga mwaba brand. Mwenyora omaite we are human beings. We have our lives. We do our own things. Taringa kero montako bo murai akobe go desk go sobe god. Ebwendete go behave in a way that omontonde atabwenete go behave.
Okay.
We are all human. We behave in a way that every human behaves in that way. But now, Karotoko Chora leaders, we are supposed to look at their leadership skills, not their life skills. Because I could be a leader and I could be having my own things that I do back that are mine, not everybody's. So, tukianza kumix leadership, social life, your leaders, and maybe whatever. To mix all those, we will not get a clear picture of who is supposed to be a leader. But no to whenever tuarigiriringa abasubati, and I don't know why abasubati bako were harshly judged most of the time when they're in leadership positions. Because if we look at this thing very clearly, omusubati oyo igakero kumorokanga tigante bariete na ribana rite kuruka basubati neri raya ninga okorobo maraya nere tali omusacha nki abasacha aba batali koreteru na barabu baitu with the same intensity eri omusubati yago itunero abasubati mbabwata their own lives karoto gocha kuriye ngo musubati oyiga na korete gintu gite some years back gia costed somebody kikiagera mwa mubeko burai karo munyorete ngana korete gintu iki. If you know somebody tabone tukubeko burai rangil nonya ni debate tebanga, can you explain to us what you did this and this year? I'm speaking about kwabolinga basubati mbaisaini. They are enough. The problem is us. We judge them harshly, forgetting that we are also human beings and we have our skeletons kwa closet. Into chetu twasiekerera echiabo toigurira. Asengenchonga they are leaders. In a way that is supposed to be spoken, Keroro Morai, you are supposed to conduct yourself in a certain way. Neyega most of the time is societal. A society to be created. Taringa ne conduct be na leadership or something. Nga obwene teko ba so very clean. Who said we have to be very clean? We are not competing with Jesus. We are trying to follow Jesus' footsteps.
But despite mheshimiwa actually it is kurigelia basubati baitabarai ekiroto gotabanga bondigetiza high time basubati baitbateni ne baigwa maskani na kiango.
Yes.
Ngantire ndo example osendo mubiekana wateberenga despite basubati mbali mbabwata mamochabo mbabwata borege ubwabo lakini example ngantire ntebe example kirwa kwana kyo senator umuchore Karinyamu.
Yes.
Ono musubata actually rokana se ebunga ya senate gakora mu mwana mo kumunyaruka
gago mu question gago mu
akabetelewa gusaba kwabera. I'm very sure eklipo nkirebo ego kwarage gonchukana na semitandao kimusubata yo mukuri kiro kyo wemere pa county ya Kisi. So those kind of things inkigego semia osenkige korokia abana bagukina bono iga na barabo bari gitikoba abarai wose inkimogo semia bari bakuba akirekura inkimbica kimokorosi gucyase bari
a picture to kwanere umusubati Karen kidogo she went overboard but naende oisekoligere bya kimwanya bantu labda she didn't mean what we took it to be. Ekoraga tebete roles chive staki kumtetea. It was wrong by all means, but Karen Nyamu to amonarire no nyenkero SSN tigari no nyenkero almost ke mimi ndiye sifuna atebeta basubati batenene bakwane maybe Karen Nyamu arikoba overlooked bate barangiri umongao akwane rumwanori because I think her life is more of hers than motherly life eriyoko yoko nacha abantu sababu ye ni kama she's been picked. Yes, let's be very honest. Abasubati mbare in politics or in power bakoba picked. Maybe because they come from a family that is well reputable, or maybe because they are beautiful nanaika whatever tangani, or maybe because they dance to tunes that not everybody else can. So when you know people, you place them according to the know-how you have about people. So stop exposing these people so much into the limelight. Yoko garanande kwa baita mono. So I think uko wagempass wape somebody else who is more matter like a C.
But why is a leader? Actually, she's a leader.
She's a leader. We all ask, why is she a leader? How did she climb to that leadership position? Na kinago tevi in this world. Tukona vitu vitatu mwanamuke ndio climb. It's either you are coming from a reputable family yenye inajiweza, or you are beautiful, or you can dance to those tunes that other women cannot dance. Na ende by chance you will dance, maybe they will not be picked to dance those tunes.
All right, ngatira mheshimiwa nkobole gabo.
Yes.
So you mean that andake baraye bari nominated kama nabasubati. So ebintu bitatu no bikurikira ubama gochoro. No.
We have women who are workers. We have women who are consistent. We have women who are focused. We have women who mean business when they mean business. I don't want to keep on touching their names. The wata basubati ba kolire miremo ya guarantee okoba appointed kwa bononya kidoga abantu bagotayanga umusubati oikara in that leadership position ebintu mbire wako levinge mbaro baikiroro maybe batarakora kende kiri abantu bakorengereri lakini asengencho nk'abantu banaritenga umusubati koinuka lazima etere enchere iyo yende kwanyoranga bonsi bako ba labeled nga no betere. But some people just walk up and fight for their spaces in political forums. Abantu bunanje, we are fighting for our spaces in political forums, not because we have somebody who ratoboko, because we know it's our right, it's our constitutional right to stand for these spaces. So unless people know that they have a right to stand in these political spaces without any ulterior motive, that is my small sister. I don't know what got over her. What was she doing? And again, namaite conduct yoko abuno wikera kidogo twachake conduct yoko umurai. Umurai kerugo tena gochiko kwano ogotige binte kerugo igoro kwenda kwabwata likondo. Without shaking, without fearing. Ekora kwamwire ko umurai. You'll be abused later. Ekora umurai borobumbu bwata matusi. Kora amore baadaye. But behave yourself in a way that okora mukwe wogocha on people's perspective. Lakini toto aye bieko monyene tuchake okorengereri vingine. Onyoro musubati yoga bwechuba. There is a thing she did in June 2004, 2000 and something that brought her to the limelight. So now she's trying to remind people about that video that came up. So it's not right. Ebintu mbire konyore na omuske our former president omuske nakabwatire rungoli yae. Bintu bune ebikonyore no muntu ogo, they are not very expensive things to discuss.
Mheshimiwa, actually ningana ntaiten ku okwanira na mona ibune musubati ekwanyoreri bagago kwana kuruga segita sen carried uvuna abasubati abange ngotebe gubare na mona basubati abare powerful gusibara sibirugo either batenine either gusibare nominated usiba kere chikura na mona most of the time abagotebe ungi bagotumeke mibere yabo. I remember there is a time musubati nganchere nkwane musubati yo muga oringe nominated musubati Glory Ruba enga keri nyarita kubakaho kurasi bunga ya Senate gatebetenga gateneta gatebanga enangire goikira ni korengana no kuganya kwabo. So does it mean ibintebimiro, is it through abasubati osegati abasubati mbale bakutumeke mibiri yabasokonyore biro
tigato tebenga? This is ESA. We've never been there, we've never witnessed, we don't know.
Okay,
but if that thing is there, then as women we need to come out because we cannot keep on selling ourselves to be elevated, because elevation ya political ni right ya kila Mkenya. If you know you have the capacity and the ability to be a leader, stand and fight for that space. Ukikosa tutakuwa tumesema alijaribu. But don't go selling your body just because you want to be up there. Almost about the Gloria Uruba muna weka kumukwana litangani. She's been in that leadership position for quite some time. What did she do to rise to that position? She knows by herself. So now, why does it come out? Now she's out, she's bringing the talk of not doing what they wanted. What is it that they wanted that she didn't do in the first akaingia? Now they want it when she's inside na ndio wamutoe. So some things again we need to think broadly, and again we need to be realistic. If you didn't enter into that thing through that method, why should you be coerced when you are inside to do it? Kama uliingia rightfully, uliingia kama wanawake wengine, umeingia kama umefanya kazi, wewe ni mchapa kazi, you've been nominated, you are inside. Umeingia bila kufanya hivyo. Why when inside unatakikana kufanya hivyo ndio uendelee kukaa hapo? Those are questions that we need to ask ourselves, and they are very logical questions because we are human beings. Umeingia hapo legit, mbona utakikane kufanya vitu zenye haziko? Anyway, ebine bintu bigo kwanu na abantu bitamanyiri osonde na roma etenge gento gete muntu gete na cheta gakora segete gento gete keneka kama na goswa. Do you know of any okorete igo omoraria magi no manye tonde okoigwa?
I've never been to politics.
Lakini okoigwa nko igore na basubati umaite, in order for them to rise they need to mbabwenete gokoro bunyaka gete ayengo akorete bunyaka gasoired, because this is rising, we are all here. Na ende no chogenderere labda no choruga magi oso citizen otete konte no bunyako gocha kwenda okole na SK mashari omana kwa Citizen.
Alright. Merongeta tochira kwa manchoma wategele cha minchuri chinsanisa tocheboro mambia se studio tegendere toko sangano mheshimiwa Violet Nyapara. Ukuri kiro kiabo machoge chache yene bunge onye kwa teriborio. Semesleno 7061020 toka nda sesemu ya Facebook live radio vuna 102.0 FM libori la utiga aroro. Mheshimiwa.
Yes.
In fact ngwa kwa nakuru aliri tanganinga kwa role guse waisanekire. Nenchira basubati gusibe sokire kuri kibiro. So ayu basubati kibe sokire aba waisanekire na barabu.
Tari owisaneka pase, but at least I'm elated. Ninyu gweta omogoko gete nga basubati basokire na barabu kuranira bari kirugi kiga.
All right.
Musubati nari, I don't know if I'm allowed to speak her name, but I must speak about her name. Tingyore tiri ai, lakini ningyore tiri ta kwanete lyokorigie kura. Lisa Celia Magenderero. A very eloquent girl. She's a young woman like me. Maybe I could be older than her, but she's all eloquent, and maybe she has a thing that is pushing her. Gotenena achakonya abantu ba Masaba. Nyari ba Masaba. Yeah, she comes from there. So abantu buna baiga baisa ko eguli baga diogosoa kirugo ekiga na barabu baegwe chance omete twakina tumayetenga abantu bali babere chiri tayari na ubago chabali gibiro gebiga bya politics baenda bono bachikolitaya in political forums abantu bali barosiri chibesa chinyinge na ubabwenete kwenda bagendere kulinda chibesa chiabasinge chonga. They've been swimming in money, now they want to retire in politics. Bagendere kulinda chibesa chiabo. We need to change that logic. Oniga gekogera a generation yenere tu abwate siju generation X. Boni gantu bwate millennials ababa kwamba kuruana na Gen Z. Like we have evolved a lot that tutagete korore bintu bikogenderera bibwate generation H chons chiri involved. Tutigera abantu abaga ba generation X omete barabu badomba maitenga ebintu bikogenda gikoro na into tuachire na into to maite go balance ebintu oise go enda chime chiboniga abantu abange abantu babwate se na abantu abake. So how do we elect abantu abaiga bagotu babwate se eriyo bagotu like ebintu ibwaneta kogenda iga batali ko incorporate abantu abake. So we need to amalgamate our thoughts chirichio bokoro na thoughts chiaboniga na litoranyore leadership ego to benefit because boniga abantu batagete ko okonyeka na abana baitu inche abana bane guchiago chia chijensi guchia sababu abatata baitu korumaega they have done what they were supposed to do na ndinkie kokonyora giko ikakeronga political spaces okonyora bago turwadi mono libagali go ikaransa batuteinga. Now because we've been here in this space, we expect you to behave ABCD, we expect you to incorporate eke neke bintu bimana kogendera mutu kwanyanga bado bataite kubwatirire biroge byo asinge ncho bata betugunga chiri tayari bantu bali babwate chibesa na babone tukubwate biroge biga naende bago sororo babwati fresh ideas chiokobeka ebintu bimana kogenderera. So we need to educate everybody. Abibuli baito body geto ikanga to bata ebintu mbiri ko koruge biko koruga ba change. So what happens when it comes to political spaces? Asinge ncho tu analiringa to kwandira moto taramo ebesa na egente kiki kyari gokoreka na singe nchabantu bali bagachire kuliye bakarigina emotive yo kwenda commenta chibesa. Bono barabu bali ko pain yo korusia besa gokwabusa bagukwanire nali bagocha kugenda bachimente. So this thing has to come to an end. Sababu boniga it's a youth thing. And this youth thing cannot go forward without elderly advice. So abantu abaiga baito bakare, we respect them. They are our fathers, they are our mothers, they are our grandfathers. They come on board with us. This is our generation. That's the point they are supposed to put across. And this was our generation. You've taken us to school, we've learned. What can we match with your generation and our generation? We work for the betterment of our future. Because it's our future now, it's not theirs. It's ours. So we need to pick it from here. Kochimotu, Bunantu, the young generation, without giving them a hand, they have to be in. Because we need guidelines to mix na guidelines chichaboniga na tora create again to kire beautifully going forward. But to gotige biroge bigane bya chiri tayari bali bali chibes chabo umuntu agukore skuru onyore gasi oitemere muga ukoro metabwate besa Gaukororete bese iyo bakundikira omuntu kidogo kidogo nandi mwamwirani nando chaka guswibiche bese ibe, we will never end or eradicate poverty. Poverty has to be eradicated through us, from us to them, because it's us who are going to create the space for our children and our children's children. Hawa wetu washa to create a space. Whichever space they created for us, it's now our time to pick it from now to songe nayo, tukifikiria the generation that is coming. Maybe generation alpha inakuja na mbio sana, hatujui hiyo ingine vile itakuja. So we need to be very keen and very careful when we are in political forums. How are we matching these things to benefit the people coming after us? Them, they are not thinking about us because they feel they are the pillars of everything that is going around. But now youth generation imekuja ikisema, we are going to be the pillars of those people who are coming after us, because you've been there for us. Now we want you to take the mantle and give it to us so that we can join it. If we cannot reason like that, student tokenda kunya kolera no goseru ko igabekera ini kaitoko bekera ini togochi chibese kitoko bekerera ini nga hinu mwarusia eto chande gete twensi karo gwato bekera ini na kigwato kora.
Mashimi, what about baraya bare birogoboniga ne mone sense mo yabasubati barabonkorosi bari mbarosetie libaga yabasubati bakurumagiga.
Ekentonda te being a lady is quite a tough task. No nyana baraya babaito tobwate asebirogo bya leadership baikaranserete. They are not very friendly with upcoming leaders. Titaitiko babeka bonsi, but I don't know if it's nakikoroko timaitiko se no bwo babago twaranga babaise ko baut shone na babande bagocha gosembata itia babande baikere chi space chinde tali bonsi do batege ntonkereke manyirenga omubisa bwo mukungu no mukungu omonyene no yani ntu maybe abatogocha. We don't want them to be up here asing nchino itu tutaiteko so ime to outshine, but again tonkero ekamo Mahatma Gandhi tebete bono, there is enough for everybody. That thing that was meant ko ngicheranche nchirate yokera aburu nchira ya wocha mwane kegede mu muntu mungao. So let's accommodate each other, because we are living in a world and we are passerbys. We will pass all of us. Tigatu accommodate ni oburayi bogosi kwa ekora nchetingo cha gaiga ntani shiriyetari omurayi onde bwensi entonta maiti atakorete, because nanche no burayi obonkoligi gingoso burayi oboga nanche nitaitensi kwe noroche ingochaga koba disrespectful as at now tindiko ikaigoro gali nyore maskani ali mbonete konyora. So tikatusko burayi no burayi bogo tebererani. If these leaders could be coming down, wa create forums cho kwana na their constituents na libara nyali ko baba kumanyanki kitakire, because we cannot trust people who don't trust us.
All right.
Yeah.
So you mean amashimo wote takotebanga ndake basubati muri goso bali gosirana gosirana bali rakili kerengo kyabo kyo gosirana ngeko ba compared ne kyabasacha abasacha they come in fully for their own. Abasubati they have that habit of kwanza nkora ko bari barakorigireri how is she ando matekero musubati akirego chiborogali anyawole gosene chibesa nko feel that burden of wanting to like go chira ni go chance gaiga kento kerigitali kororekana na abasaja they don't have fear when spending on their own, because mbamaite that's a thing that is coming back. Bono ntuna bakunguti maite go se togo ikatwa ba greedy or something tueva abande. So gokonya na mo numuna abasubati guchikia ba limited, but it's coming out well. Abasubati konya kuempreza ditore kidogo no yatore our own enemies. Okonyora muna boniga magi morali a video yage soke ya something bad inche uno musubati. I'm not supposed to celebrate about that video no matter what. I'm supposed to like koyelimia, lakini kwanja oranga basubati ntororo rasinga icho ngange to muntu naturally bosayigo nande birakende kwanyora nintu tokoye push tokuyebeke sambaratike ebite bindo chena boni kankonya koyera bire. So there are so many things. We are all human beings. Ebi today binge mtubuna basubati to wena to kora. Let's support each other. To inuke buna basubati na itunyore the respect that we deserve, because there is no day we are going to be respected if we keep on pulling each other down. Atutaheshimika with our male counterparts, sababu wanajua hawa
wenyewe watauana. Because I want a favor from a man, I will go tarnish another lady's name ndio nipate your favor. Hatutaheshimika. Let's stand together the same way our male counterparts stand together, tusapotiane kinguvu. And remember, women turabange twamwe munangu support turi one of ours toko moiki guchiura hali, lakini asengenjo bado ntubwate the male mentality, like almost sacha umete kwanza mono munaga usi ori chi constituency chinyinge, they have women leaders in member of parliament positions, in all positions. Ase tutabwate bitebi mono narali ngusiga iga kwanya kwebori swali nase kigusi tutabwate bintebi alafu musubati ugotene nanko ligari kero ke wa mawata ntugusi bakungu yaya. I don't know if people are well enlightened about the constitution. We're supposed to stand where and ask for a thing. So ebintu nebingeto bwena takora buna mwanya abantu na mukungu toso ebinyoro ime to sensitize abakungu, lakini kero ko nyoro ngo so ore kenyoro mukungu akorigereri with that eye na ndikwara wa kidogo kwara deba tigandara tuli.
So what about actually abantu basacha nkonyora mu ruhusira kurwase bali as a community?
Yes, I can tell you for free. In my political journey, the most people who are congratulating me, who are telling me to keep going na abasacha. Lakini tali abasacha abachijendi si abankoli kina barabwe birogo. Abarabwe kasi abono kondama. I'm ugly, I come from sijui bondo sijui weya, but abagaka baba nene, it's like it has dawned on them like abasubati na barabu mbuya bakura. Let them give us a chance. So from them tindanyora backlash nene, lakini nonyana abasubati have not gotten any backlash. Nonyambara vumbaro lakini ndo meta abasubati okwege na kwabo no kwangora ngora bagocha ukubwata iga bakubwata kimoja bakolete. Lakini abagaka baito, I salute them.
All right.
I appreciate them. Abagaka baito bari abanene, they are in support. Mpake bagwika barengere na umusubati boli and bagokolikere baro ekwabo mukake bono, but they are in support. And I love their spirit.
All right.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Mheshimiwa. In fact, ngantire to kwanire ngana egyo mwere kero to kwena somo tegele to mukisime to gwekerengere kyankira kigo cha sole kero to gendere to gusangana Mheshimiwa Violet Nyaparo kuri kero kya bumachoge chache ine bunge. Mheshimiwa inki kekogera inki yasiki nubura ibotali bumachoge inki kegorwa tanga bono tegopingo Mheshimiwa Miruka.
Mbuya mona siri swali ligi ya magi. Bora imbo bwat monopoly. Obora yebo ebore transient. Woko enanu gochia. Omuske alfo kolire gasia ya kolire. Ne yatara akora omuntu ndi nabwonete go come in amukolere. It does not necessarily mean like egetonkerege bwonete korrekane kebe odombiro. Mbiro ebinge bibe bibwonete go so bibe rectified. But obogambi oboiga, let people learn to know like obogambi obore transient. Mbobwena tikoba a monopoly ya from some family or something. Obogambi ebinta abwata sama isae for the past like 8 years now. Yeah, 8 years. Kama orego korokorite. So the more chances we are giving him, no komobeka arare. So we need some other fresh blood like me. Ogo chaime oligereti bintu bitarakoru a rectify, oligereti bintu byakore tu bigakoru na upunguvu akini kidogo na inche engakiyane gegoika nkokore ebintu ebyo ngokora ose na inche nintakora omuntu omongagarore mishap na yaraswe na yaragendereri nabo bugambi bogokoru igo na ritorakore distribution ya knowledge and maybe wealth ere equal.
So what is your main thing? Is it namagendera taraikiraniwa wasenga no muntu oberi gusuno Mheshimiwa oberi kero follow
amagendero nara taraikiraniwa
inki kitaraikiraniwa.
Women are not well heard from our constituency, like umaite bintu nebinga bakungu babonete gukorero because we are the ndabasa kotabana kidogo intuni into nguzo ye family. But when you overlook us for so long it feels bad. Abakungu babonete ko ba taken care of gekorambara ubakoligie ndagera revenue yego chenyingi ase county ne revenue yabakungu musaja tayo kwendole mebintu oyitweka mutu oyiruchiko ni chiro andika roko abakungu low deal muna chipara kwanyora nchi yo chiwete kabuya kwanyora umusubati ate aibekirite target agotebanga ntete ko rigi chibesa 10,000 omwana one ko mwaka 20 omujumbe ko ngari 10 na nchendi 10 chike 20 omwana onasome kwa makonyora omukungu chibasiri 10,000 ali na chicho kabwate mujumbe taramu achinde. You see, that's a letdown. So that's a space that is supposed to be taken up by somebody who can help this woman.
Okay.
Yes, and those children who are going to school who want to come up. So there is a lot to be done in the constituency. Not necessarily replace omonto, but there are things that if somebody is seated there, we want to come in and rectify.
So in terms of okay, akira kurigira nsemo jemba gendro ne kiura rate bo machoge tebe out of 100 kirengo mheshimiwa Alpha Ikiraniri.
I don't want to be biased. Out of 100 mheshimiwa Temero ikiri tintatiko mwa enushko chigoro oikiri 40. Yeah.
So 60 kingia tara Ikirani.
Ebintu ebinge chibasa litariko era namuna chibonete ko enanu. That's the most representation yae ebunge teyo. So there are things that are supposed to be looked into.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So ainkiro berete gokora.
Representation abantu bane babe well represented. You know, when you represent your people well, nonya investment na bochiko nonya nisko chiacha constituency yao. Abantu bane banyale ko baba konyora chibasari yakogeranchiro ororo CDF nero ri goche konya abantu bali barabataka nende konya abantu genuinely bali babwendete konyore kirugi ebintu chibese ichuchi ya CDF. There are so many things that are in place. Chief cheito chinyore chinyomba chingia chikobera. Chiskuru cheito chiba upgraded. Tali skuru ina so meterikale na karamiru na ata chance ngana chibado chiroro baka sai, and we have money for the schools to be developed. Chipara cheito chibe passable. Tali ngo kwenda kwa swagari wa choosing this place voted me very well. Kwa mwanga ngabu no go well. You know, leadership is about giving your services to the people who trusted you and those people who didn't trust you, because now you are their leader. You'll have to take care of all of them. Ono so egali okole bintu bya abachifu babebya chipara cheto chieteke bya abana baito basome skuru bya oyetino yana ebintu bira konya abakungu ngali nabasacha in the parliament. Yes.
All right. Mheshimiwa Shele ngachire nkobori bori jomore kiro tokenda asomo tegele ngwateba nga despite nga ayubutse gutenna koro United opposition. Kema kioro birite gutenna koro.
Kiama kidogo gabu asengencho I'm rising.
Okay.
Tinta kitimbo aterere kiama mono.
All right.
Agenda no yaninje mbero mutuone agenda Fred Matiangi.
Okay.
No, agenda first is me because I have a vision for my constituents. Boni gentanga ni ninje. Akabere Fred Matiangi. Tiganda itemeremo ekenyuru. Abangina bali nabagaka bali n'ekigenzi bako nganja. Barabuka abanyana ubako ntenga boni kiamu bwenete ko sowaniki. Baraza ati now nondo muina United opposition kunya kolera abantu bamintu ngatotakolera na tusikiko chigoro. Batie chama yenyewe itakuja baadaye.
0785102102 motegele nyakuba teriboro gocheso mheshimiwa mangana na mangeto amurekera sema mbiya bono ega sangani to SMS line 0706102102 agenda asensemo ya Facebook live radio Vuna 102.0 FM kwa naitwa Vuna radio.
Hello radio Vuna. Angaki mwana mno.
Bwakire bya.
Yangu ani mheshimiwa.
Okwane kire.
Oyo mpito mayu mwana bwe bundakane ku Rubenjo.
Peter.
Tima tiko sina mai Rubenjo.
Ima to Peter.
Bo matwa gachache Rubenjo. Ndagete ko boli mheshimiwa ya. Mheshimiwa madam ngoma ene kyo bwatenga buna Rubenjo ga yaka to go jitwa abantu chikurana ne mono. Mbali kuti batu inyura. Ndio babuti bata bangane kinyuro kirigita manyiri ingo. Bono muna bono iga Rubenjo ga iga. Kuanya korora stima nyumba tiyo bwate stima kodatiga Rubenjo market yaka market tubwata ga iga kiduka chinkeiga.
Nimete Rubenjo Peter.
Alafu iga no abaheshimiwa bago de barigeri chikura bamaya batainga moko nga chikura ngobe kande enko bande stima asinaro twaligirie stima moko nya batewa nkwa gutore stima ntuanya kwegwa. So nale kubuli mheshimiwa iga. Aya no ne kene nga go kwa uchikura gusto kwa chikura. no nyara ko bago twa estima ibencho na ichukere nyomba at least yetu ale estima alafu naende kiparangiro ki chande te ibenja no da kenga no toro teri bono njeri ndi na ko riso na ko boli no nyara ko bago toro sikura umwe da banda bange bago kibaso ayo siasa batu ngaina bakwira chikura bagenda baikaranza pi bamanya gutwiba naende 10 years yako era bamanya kujana baza denga ya tu chikura nto gitorosi yo mpito mayo mwana bwe ndakana kuruge tumbi mama.
Asante sana Peter, thank you. 0785102102 SMS line 0706102102 sangana into kabisa sema mbe ya bono iga wetera asensemo ya live bona radio bona 102.0 FM bona radio. Hello
radio Vuna. Oyo Mr. Ford mukuru sauti Mogerange route ya sauti Mogeranga.
Karibu sana.
Bono na engineer ko boli umurayi nara motegereire goja. Ara kuanira singe njo umurayi kwa mfane ke otu achorire nonye no umurayi umwe mutiye umuntu asubenge kero umuntu asoiro burayi. Ogochiyo konyora akorojiri into soboka singe nyanige kana rondoro tebinto gete. Naga unarara kuanira nere buyo monte kera iruo burayi okore ibintu soboka mwayoka nonye ne egwoti ya egento gitasare aya sawa koremere mutari gukora ase asanda ikira nikipara kisaregete nabona iguro murayi yo atebira abanyina nabo bago tweke ibintu baoni ase bakoni ku ibintu binde nano rutenga bagwonjokana bono chipare chisaregete nini ebintu binde akino murayi ali ase kanyoroka na kwakona gusingirera orosi nabu naro murayi nde tonkone nabu naro mbuya bakina kitwachandekire bubi.
Asante Mr. Jemo mheshimiwa narengo kwira niliare akorokonga nere job moya watenga we support Honorable Violet as our incoming member of parliament. Asante sana Valentino Mokeira akotenga magi salimia mjumbe mtarajiwa bona radio. Hello
morali akire
abwakire
okwana na Frederick Wali kurugaiga bunyanja
ariabo
bunyanja bumachoge. Ntaye tumurayo ino yone muboli nenkiri swali mo kwande byasana kurubona cha gete murayi ndiyole
biya mono Fred.
Madam.
Yes.
Si tombo nyanja mata injire yego dira ujikioro ligatia ige junction yega manya digo se watirimbo gire pare ye kurukuru misesero woro tirimbo kuma ate pare ye yale metwa duriga misesi kabagali gwe kagenda muino no murayi tu alfa
egatigwa
wocha mata akatebanga ose ntoli ko muhagera chikura bali baketwa mwanji tentwa muhagera chikura munanje fully kurumeana na mwakire chikura maraka
kimwa mwete chikura 1300
ngo kuboli buyega madam ga kya samaskanya manonyo waitire pare ikuruguru chimata ali yabe
naitira
ngorole pare yibune
embebole
para nere yiga ya kwambuka ekogendo kuchi mumbu bonchali kwani etokotebana uchimata amba ngagirete gocha chiura akore otokonye bunantu abantu bagochabo nyanja at least tororo burabu nonye neso togweta tokora none biashara bendo bunantu togwata none chipigipigi ndiko nyara weta pi.
All right. Asante sana. Thank you so much Frederick mheshimiwa narengo kureneliare agotenga Sabino Mbui. Honorable Violet is a good leader, I support her. Evelyn Onderi agotenga tupatane mama nafasi atuongoze tupatie mama nafasi atuongoze. Stephen Christopher Christopher Musabokwabira Stephen Christopher agotenga Honorable Violet Nyapara is speaking with the wisdom and passion for the growth of Machoge Church. Leadership with vision and action is what our people need. Bona radio. Hello. Yes Richard.
Mheshimiwa wewe na manyorera katika zero lakini wewe na ara mwiguru na kuona. Madam ndiyo.
Biya mono Richard.
No kurwa somo moro yuwa kuwanika kurwa yuwa ruro just recent.
Fred.
Ya pare ya itone ende sana yale metu the other time. Andino na bakwa igu gonga na ndu amoeda kura bona ta koro.
All right.
Wana ndo mananga
narona yogocha koegwa gocha gotabanga bantu getemba nyate sindi gocha kolera.
Okay.
Like whatever we are seeing now.
Okay. Asante sana mheshimiwa Nwarega singicho yebiro mheshimiwa ngantira ligalicho jumbe bere awatenga honorable Mogonchi awatenga Violet Nyapara so mheshimiwa is the best and ahead of the rest. Steven Wakobo Machoge Chache mbele pamoja honorable Violet Nyapara tosha five fresh real commissioner akatenga watching kura chinsemo chabo Machoge Chache. Honorable Violet is a good orator and articulator.
Thank you Commissioner.
Jumbe ni chinyinge lakini nganchira singicho yebirure nili amaboli kabisa Peter igaboli nga pomba ene kyobwatenga ekirotora kwa chikura no tubekirino nyine stima singicho gatenga stima teyo gali chinsemo chaibencho.
Peter mbiya mona seriboli lyao yakwera abantu abange mbabwate chitangutangu cyabagambi bagochora bono yaika kobanga abantu bachakire koirana obokenyomba mbogo tokonya ogochoro murayo rumuya na kikera tokonye. There is a time Magi I used to think like nochebuna wa munyoro anchire sobo asengen chamenye tenka bona baraya baitu togochitwa ebakwenda baenda pi ndobwene tutwa rumurayi bono mune constituency yane ntware enka nonyeni gabu bosoti sengera eyendega seito bochi neyende Machoge nalikira abantu bakonyora chinga kichingororo chioko raise their issues. I think Peter you need to trust me that I will work and I will do you the best. Nalitoraske mutwe.
All right. Mr. Jimate banga abarayiba cross ibinta sobo keroba kiri chukura baombia chinsemo chindi so
James from South Mogirango. Egente kegana ikabuge kwandira litangani. Oborai ntubona turigeria abantu bali barabarai na nditali abantu chi politician. Kero murai abekirwa sekerogo nabonete gutwara utu eriyo kumanyanga enabe kwa sekerogo kiganeba nabantu baso ino bakwa ekerogo abantu bonsi nabago. Twanyara kubatogo distribute ebintu equally amongst the constituents bali okora. Ekora no choru byons piseino tarise ino yokanande gocha gukoirania ekerogo so ekinege ntabarai babonete kumanyanga abantu bonsi kagichole bunge eko represent abantu bonsi be constitution ya
bade paranira mheshimiwa tutaombi iyo Frederick Kanyara kabaga gukwanira pali ya be kugenda bonchali
pali nembero ero nempale mbe kabisa pale iyo omoske omubunge igayeremete kidogo korogoro akayeka gochimata akayetiga pale ine bwanete gukwaniru alpha igare serikali. We don't know why atako derive bintu gekore bagotera abantu bari serikali ngokama bali atago kama aroseri abantu bamachoge basi pale yige kwenda guchibonjali pale yanyagenke mabo gekogera aisa gukora igo na baranyoro okonyire abantu balia asobonchoreria
ego kama mabere tayo mokonyo omachoge
mabere nturanyarura biya igo timaiti gose omaite abantu bande bakorengerere ngasinge chalfa koru ewodi abo chitendere abantu babo chitendere bafaidigete kintu nkiyo abantu babo chitendere bafaidigete. In fact we are all crying as constituents a constituency yeito yabo Machoge chache twensinkolera tuli tera meaning akerarwete gari ingabu no akonyete gente kiato konyete na kitotarochi gekogera if at all uri gokonya a constituency yabo Machoge chache tumubeka abo mukenyumba utanga bono igaru gabo bochitendere gekogera ere very close na Machoge basi atirimboke Machoge basi koligichi kule echo chibe chinyinga asengencho nata kitana ndiko irana abarosalie paleli tabone tuko batiga bago safa.
Amashima, thank you so much for your time. Asante bitu byatira lakini I kikero gukwanira andake umusubacho tutegereta semambia bono ega eida ole kirogo oteneine osori gitu gutenene kirogo nabago nchuko kwanira mu guseko jumla pamoja na bantu babo Machoge.
Omwancho mutegereria andonsi ari ase ontegerete koru mostly bali babo Machoge chache no interest ere nene tikenya saatu senitwensi na ndite gatumanya ngabono twakirenga kieria yogo chenchi ebinto biri buna konye tonalite so omusubati yoteneine tigato practice integrity in all matters lakini na into abaki kura gosaba ligereria tigato tigego personalize ebinto by'abantu abayiga bakoligichikura twabibeka byabanga nabyo their weakness omonto gate nino koligie kura tigate nene nguru yaye ali afocus naende atige chitabibu ne chitwaro chechuba akwanira abantu bae nobuya ntochitonyore ngetabiye yechuba next nere kare nominated bona abantu mate na bago chakonya koire gente kinga abantu morals lazima ochibekense omana ko ba nominated abantu ba mintumbe ya mona so trust I'm in this race. I will be wronging people enchera kogenda but inche no muntu bunaye twamini ane twensi tosuke tochoro burai buli boratokonye as constituents.
Thank you so much mo tegele tunyura mangana ma yesenchera ereyo bwenge chinsenye chabono mambesi asika geterege tambe so somrobere bumo kena kuganira bo tegele bya
bya muno mwancho mo tegereria
Yevuna FM
102.0
Radio Tora.
Minero.
Omugusio minto kwa manyirenga enyagitaria HK International Medical Center noere asumu chubo sonko nainde numa yetenga ni gekorenga omubiri omugima na kurwo bugwenia bwa maruire buna arthritis, asthma, TRG, stomach ulcers, pressure, infertility yechinchira chionsi, low libido in men, amaruire yabana, amaiso goikamaino na yanda mange. Bono kwa manyire eye HK International Medical Center Busongo
igonge kera wa ikirega igo muchu Busongo gotwakire nambe yure 07 17 nande 17 63 83
HK International Medical Center. Your health is your wealth. Ayana mangana maya asenjera yowe
chete kaibere maiga ya chinsenye chabono mambia mangana maya senchirere yobwenge kurwa segeta senikia obwanje tenambe moke Radio Vuna nchego ngoro kwa Geoffrey Ngongo. Oigoro kireganga yokorigekero kyobo bunga sebunge yabo machoge chacha se county ya Kisii Mosubati Violet Nyapara niga esokire na kumwakere koko Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i ko basiri bagaligia lyo kwegwe bandera yensemo yo kwamerera serikali eriko yirukia sekero kyobora ibwensa sokoligia ekero ekyasobo cholya bone buli bosyo kagosangani getaseni Radio Vuna chinga giche chinkwana chema sema munege taseni Radio Vuna mambialera somoro bili bwe mambingia Mosubati Nyapara nigo ha toire Matiang'i ko basiri bagaligia gakomolenganya buna niga bakenya bange bamwato ire ko basiri bagaligia lyo kwirukia bandera iyo chinga kinonya na bagende go segeta nsemo yo kwamerera serikali ko bamo na nemo no bune nchire ya moyo gwikiraniga ngebwati yo kurusyo borayibora bisibo no Kenya kwanza Seneta bwe county ya Nyamira eriko kongo mugeni nigo hamogandi mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira Monsinyaribo komwali bagali bakolemera mu bwikirano buna homo seneta bwe county iyo elio okogendra gokolemera mabwe neto okora serikali county gusase county ya Nyamira buno mo seneta kagukwana chinga gikaranta se kanisa ya Katoliki ya Nyangena se wodi ya Bokira se county ya Nyamira bwigoro okongo niga muganiro mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira Monsinyaribo go okorera chibese chiria kubwato kirikura serikali nemeremo egekogera ne chibese chibonete okonya abantu be county ya Nyamira aine gati ali mwancho motegerero achikonyora na inda century yo bwenge chikoraga chinse isano chebono mambia ongoro kwa Geoffrey Ngongo na kuganira bategeri burubia
oyo noro mwerio wa mangana maya asenjera yobwe
FM Vuna Vuna FM Vuna Vuna FM ase bibinde bia Vuna FM asamatera mayai 102.0 asambaranga mayai to seseni wekerengaki abararia baya nobo semyo bujana mangana maya 102.0 FM Tokuna Ekeminero
Ekebungo kilituko kurwa Radio Vuna
Petero entang'ani isano ekebungo kia igia 10 na nyasaye bubuya bwonsi uyo barangeire moso asobonene bwae bwa kare na kare ase Kristo kumwikire guchandwa sekeregeke ero munyene n'abarosie n'abakong'ie ababeke chinguru na kababeka asoburoso buya. Petero entang'ani isano ekebungo kia igia 10 na nyasaye bubuya bwonsi uyo barangeire moso asobonene bwae bwa kare na kare ase Kristo kumwikire guchandwa sekeregeke ero munyene n'abarosie n'abakong'ie ababeke chinguru na kababeka asoburoso.
Ekio na kibungo kilituko kurwa Radio Vuna.
Shukrani msikilizaji kwa kuendelea kusikiliza Radio Vuna 102.0 FM. Tunadhamini ubora na ili kuboresha zaidi vipindi vyetu tunahitaji maoni yako. Kama unayo maoni, malalamishi, maswali au pongezi, tujuze kupitia barua pepe info@radiovuna.co.ke. Piga simu 0703 102 102 au 0705 102 102 ama tutembelee katika ofisi zetu Galilaya, Mwembe University Way off Kisii Kilgoris Road. Asante sana msikilizaji. Radio Vuna tosesenigwe kera engake.
Toseseni wa motwenzi. Tokuneke minero.
Lakini mechandokie bono kunya gwetera nyomba ke yani birogo bikombu no magongo.
Kunya kuma na nyomba na ende nayo muchanda. Kade ngango gotentu bwati birogo.
One kero konte minincho muchando kase basubate no bakorosie nyomba. Ibirogo bono na gurete bono nkikira kini boneke.
Inga kikibaka boni gatato go ikaransire birogo binga bunebi gatuma itinge birogo byachire byekere.
Ebono eduka ya Yako Fashions Keroka ni gobono ya korentere birogo bya plastic chairs kwa bei nafuu, yani bire bya Big Boss. Boigonko nya tore chiduve amarangeti chi bed sheets emeito yonsi ya kerenge nchobuneri orthopedic chi cushion ebikoroto chi shati emechibi chi kobia chi bagi chionsi gati yabo chi skuru laptop bags trolley bags fiber bags takis chunk pin na boigo pioneer bags chionsi oranyora serigoriria moko eri uruseirie discount asense moye chianga nkonya tore trousers cha soft na hard khakis suits t-shirti chi t-shirt dresses ebikoroto by'abasubati n'abasacha byekerero ebyoranyora serigoriria moko imeya Yako Fashions boigo ntubwata abakorera bakoenekia kwenyorere byonsi uganetie asubororo tarera Yako Fashions assistage ya Keroka enchire gosoka goche bosongo orosage ronde ni gorogotoka bukeroke getaseni kya banyanyimbo moino akesimia se namba 0725372326 gose 0728903422 Yako Fashions Keroka obokoreri obuya asebonsi.
Eduka ya Pick Uniforms and Sports Center nigekoro isena kone chi uniform cha KMTC na buno mwibori obwato mwana KMTC gosoli otagate gosoa KMTC tarera Pick Uniform onyore uniform wengiya ya KMTC ne chi college au ne chinyagetare egati chi uniform tribakonia buno chi overall chi dust coat chigobia chianga cha bateresa ne chinde chinyinge. Pick Uniforms and Sports Center gosona bale chianga cha chinyangi chikwaya ne cheskuru naende ngokora bale printing ye chianga sinchira au buna embroidery plotter vinyl printing na screen printing inyora eduka ya Pick Uniforms and Sports Center nigo babwate bibyonse aserigolire nsekigimase wholesale elio oranyale wekeria. Pick Uniforms and Sports Center nige gotoka se nyomba ya Baraka angena Shivling Enya asamange bakere simi ase namba 0720398360. Pick Uniforms where quality meets efficiency.
Yesu ametuita kila mmoja ili tujitolee kufanya kazi yake. Mavuno mengi shambani mwa Bwana, wavunaji ndio wachache. Yesu ametuita kila mmoja ili tujitolee kufanya kazi yake. Mavuno mengi shambani mwa Bwana, wavunaji ndio wachache. Nendeni tukavune